Good afternoon to the Kringle community all over the world. How has been our day? You are welcome once again to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorun Lowayinde, also known as Sapphire Joel, one of the many voices of TVC around the world. There is a quotation ascribed to Mark Twain. There is no security on this earth, only opportunity. How many opportunity are you taking? How many opportunity did you put in action? Guys, no option. I recapitulate, no option. If you look at the screen, you will see that opportunity is support. Our goals, classes, learning is an opportunity. Taking advice, good advice, receiving motivation, which all leads to having successes, are all opportunities. They are all opportunities. Result of opportunities. Guys, I have no doubt that you sincerely want your dreams to come true. But you have to be completely focused and become a no option person. A no option person has no other option but to achieve his or her set goals. For him, it is all or nothing. It is do or die. Does this sound desperate? I don't think so. But I think it exudes raw commitment. There was a general who took his troops to a major battle on a distant shore. As they approached the enemy, he saw that his troops were outnumbered by the big and strong opponent. But he also knew that his troops had the potential to win. By the time they landed, he saw the fear and how his men were resistant in advancing. So he gave the order to burn the boats. Immediately, the men knew they had no other choices, no other options. They had to win or die. At that moment, they became energized and fearless. They fought and gave all they had. And guess what? They won. Friends, you have the power in your dream, but you must activate this power by making the decision to follow those dreams. You have the responsibility to work on them. The man who wakes up and finds his dream fulfilled has not been sleeping. If you make this kind of commitment, as you are watching me right now, as you are listening to me now, then your dreams will come true. In fact, they must come true. Why? Because you have no other options but to succeed. I leave you with this word again. If you make this kind of commitment, then your dreams will come true. In fact, they must come true. Why? Because you have no other option. No other option than to succeed. So guys, I wish you success, but don't forget opportunity. Opportunity. And let me say this. Being a member of the Kringle community is a great opportunity. Yes. Yes. This is 6 years down the line. We are still standing, still strong. So join us to enjoy the avalanche opportunities abound in the Kringle community. There's a link below this video. Click on that link, register, and become a member. And also don't forget, click on that like button, subscribe for subsequent updates. As I come your way next time, cheers, bye for now.